boy here. Say hi, naughty boy.
Naughty boy, mommy.
Ay, big boy.
DJ is a good boy.
Big boy, good boy. Daddy's there, driving. Hi,
Hi
Daddy.
guys! Look at my hair. I have a curly hair. I want to be a afro.
That's the road. Oops. Shaky, shaky. Shaky, 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 shaky.
Weather for today is 44 degrees.
So hot. So hot in here. How about you, DJ? What do you want to say? Do you want to say something? No? Okay. Not in the mood. Mamaya.
Hi guys!
Mamaya yan, mamaya.
Hi guys!
Mag-bicycle daw siya mamaya.
Where's his Let's go see.
O sige, we'll come back na lang later when we reach in Burj Khalifa.
Hi! Hi guys!
Hi, we're here in Dubai Mall. We're here in the village inside Dubai Mall. I left my eyeglass in the house, so I don't have eyeglass. Aray! Don't pull! Si DJ, mahilig mag-pull ng damit o bag. So yun, malabo ang aking mga mata. Saan kaya yung daan? Kita ko sa inyo, ha? Bale, we're going to Burj Khalifa later.
Buy toys.
Hindi, diba? Ay, sabi ko sa'yo, wala na tayong pambili ng toys. Food only. Ang ganda, oh. Meron mga umbrella. Tingnan mo, Dad, ganda.
Huh?
Ang ganda.
Yes.
Picture tayo, ganyan. Press mo yung white. Press mo yung kulay white. Picture, picture.
Press all, DJ, press all. Press all. Make it sound.
Mommy, look this. Hey, look. Wait, wait. Hey, Mommy, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Embarrass yung mag-ama. Sala sila. Hindi ako masyado makakita. I don't have eyeglass. Aloka kasi. And here's the famous Dubai Aquarium. Yan. Yes.
to the fish.
Go, DJ, go.
Doon tayo sa taas. Let's go up here. I want to show you something. So we can go close to the fishes.
Ang daming tao. We're going up. Merong mas better area to view the fishes dun sa taas.
Yeah.
Hey, look at me. But, Mommy, can I go down to you, Mommy?
No.
Why?
Be careful.
Why, Daddy?
Ano yung mga fish?
Where is...
Nasadya kami sa taas na area. Kita niyo ba? Kita niyo. I think I have to change the camera kasi gamit ko is yung iPhone lang. So let me get the camera. Guys, ito mas better than the iPhone shots. So here's the outside view ng Dubai Aquarium. Man-made aquarium inside Dubai Mall. Look at that. Look at those fishes.
Down. There's so many there. Down.
Di mo nakakalula. Yan. There you are. If you can see yung mga tao dun sa kabilang side, sila yung nasa baba. Yung nasa labas ng aquarium, kabilang end ng aquarium. So, is the sa taas, yung mga boat. Wala ngayon. Pero sa taas yung mga boat na nagpapakain ng mga fishes.
Let's go to another one, Daddy.
Where?
Ayan. May boat. Tingnan nyo guys. Look at those fishes. Wow! Very big fish. Laki. It can feed like 20 families. Look at that.
That doesn't matter, Daddy.
Those fishes.
I know what the problem is. That fish is
I think someone is feeding. Maybe someone is feeding. Maybe someone is feeding them. That's why we're going on circles.
Oh, look, man. Just look at it.
Let's go to another fish, Daddy.
Mommy. What is that?
Oh my goodness, very big.
Okay, he's looking to you. That one, he's angry. He's sad.
Then
That face.
let's go to another fish, Daddy.
Wait a minute.
This large fish is eating food.
It's so big. Can they bite my mouth?
Oh, that's mine. Daddy, can I?
Finish? Delicious. Look what they have in the can. Delicious. Famous candies. All candies are here. This guy, lahat ng shop is sale. H&M sale sila. May tender hubs, 20 dirhams, so 50 to 70% I think. Check it out. You missed the fishes? Did you say goodbye to the fishes?
Goodbye, babies. I want to go near the fish and say goodbye, but I didn't.
Dito. Everyone is sales. Everyone is sale guys here in Dubai Mall. Actually, sa buong Dubai. Kasi, dito. Dito.
Diba?
Oo, tapos sa kanan. Kasi it's Dubai Summer Surprises, DSS. So, 1 month yun na sale ang lahat. Lahat. Almost lahat ng items. And big sale siya. Tingnan nyo guys. This is lifestyle. May mga makeup din sila dyan. Ay, ang sarap mag-shopping kung may pera lang. Sarap sana mag-shopping, no? Kaya lang,
Daddy.
wala tayong budget dyan. Okay. Yan na pala, oh.
Rock yan.
Dito na kami, malapit sa At-Tutap. Nakit na kami ng Burj Khalifa. Hindi pa pala. Punta muna kami doon sa entrance.
Are you waiting?
Kasama namin si ate. Si ate, si kuya at si ate. Hi, nag-blur. Focus. At the top premises. So basically we're going dun sa elevator, going to the top. Stop over kami kanina dun for a picture if we like. Oh, the other side is for exit. And si Daddy. Si DJ, excited. Nauna na siya. Where are we?
Yeah.
Where are we? Hold. DJ can't wait. Daddy, say hi. Uy, ayun siya, oh. Ayun siya sa labas. Yan. We're going there on the... Anong floor? 124 ba? Or 125? Hindi pa rin kayo mukha ako. Foundation kanina. Pasensya na ako. Medyo magulo o magulo. Hindi pa ako sanay. Pag-practice pa. It's 2004, excavation begins. 2005, superstructure started. Oh, it's nice. This is the, ano ba yun? History. 2006, level 50. 2007, they finished level 100. 2007, they finished level 150. World's tallest freestanding structure. Then they have here next 2008, level 160, world's tallest man-made structure. Ayan, so parang ano na rin to, history. 2009, completion of Spire. 2009, cladding completed. And this is how it looks like.
Yes.
Okay, DJ, go!
DJ, not in the center. Yeah, like that. Okay.
Okay, let's wait.
Okay, let's go. Yung sana yun, meron.
Ayan, talaga.
Details. Yeah. Huwag mo na i-close. Huwag mo na i-close kasi malawa.
Hindi, nagpo-focus.
Layo mo konti. Pakita mo yung details, English no dito sa side. Please stop.
The cranes keep on moving like that, like
Yeah.
So when I came that 2007, it was the world's tallest freestanding.
Anyways,
Same 2007 or?
Yes.
I think you also know 2007.
2009 it was completed.
Sunlight
Okay.
is still only on.
Saan?
Ay, nakanagkan.
Hindi na daw yan baby, big boy na yan. Minsan pa gusto kong mag-pick. DJ, it's not for climbing. Come on! Saan na si Ate Celine? Kaya nagpipicture, nagkakamala ako ng pindot na pipindot ka stop.
Ha? Bako? Hindi.
Si DJ na walang paki. Parang tour na rin pala, no? Loob na ba to ng Birch?
Loob na to.
Ah.
Kasi kita mo yung instruction doon.
Ah, okay. So,
Yun yung,
yes. Okay.
yun yung Sukal Bahar.
Second.
So the elevator will bring you to level 124 within 1 minute.
2, 3.
1 minute.
No, back off.
10 meters per second, the speed of the elevator. Once you finish your viewing this level 124, you can go to the next level up by using the staircase. So you have 124 and 125. So 2 observatory decks, no time limit. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
1 minute. Starts now.
2, 3.
Go. Back off.
Lift off.
Back off.
Lift off.
Start your viewing from this direction. Have a good time.
Thank you. Okay. Wow. This side, here. This way. Push the door one by one. You have to go with daddy.
DJ, I told you, you get stuck there.
One by one. You go with daddy.
I'm not with you.
We are guys in 124th floor of Burj Khalifa. We start in this side here from here. This is the south. So you can see the south. Wow guys. Can you see it? You can see the whole Dubai. So that's we are in the 124th floor. So yan, from here makikita nyo yung buong Dubai. Makikita nyo ba guys? Yeah, oo nga. Ayaw na napapapasok mga.
Because you get stuck there.
Aircon. What happened, Nak? It's hot? Oh, you sit down lang in one side.
Come, let's go inside.
It doesn't like hot. I think yung 125, that's the one aircon. The 125. Yeah, we can go up in 125. Here's another side. I hope you can see it, guys. Medyo short, medyo foggy. So, makita niya marami pang construction going on. Ouch, it's hot. Oh, wait lang, let mommy finish. Go inside na. Wait, mommy inside. Oh, this way, going inside.
Mommy, where are we, Mommy?
Oh. See, that's the wool. That's the wool Dubai, anak. This one, no, see? See?
Picture lang.
Picture, dali picture.
May remembrance ako.
That's the wool. You can see. Find our house. Picture kita, be. Daddy,
Yep.
look. Feeling ko against the light.
Against the light. Madilim.
Picture. Ayan o, ang daming construction. This one is the Dubai Mall. That one is the Dubai Mall. Come on, move, move. Yung aking anak ayaw ng mainit. Ay, nako anak. Mahirap magbitbit ng aircon.
Building mami picture.
Ito ba yung ano? Ah, dito pala magandang picture.
Ito kayo dyan. Ah, video?
Oh, wait lang. Crowding ano.
Oh, I want to.
Yeah. Ayun, be, oh. Use that one, oh. You see that? After, ha? Wait for your turn. Ito yung gusto ko, oh. Yan, oh, yung tulay. Okay, now it's your turn. So how do you know how to use it? Daddy, can you guide DJ? This one, but you have to press this one.
Can you press it now?
Yeah, there. Oh. So you can see the...
Then you look at this.
It's a telescope, like a telescope.
If you want to see
Sorry. Dad, turn kita. Stolen. Sa Dubai Mall. Tapos na kami doon sa Atatak Burj Khalifa and we're here sitting in the Elevation Burger.
Me. That's you, mommy. Hello, guys.
Where are we?
And Burger King.
Elevation Burger. Elevation Burger and guys, ito yung view namin. Dubai Ice Drink sa loob ng Dubai Mall. Yan ay yung counter. Baka nag-ikot na. Sino? Bakit? Parking problem. Sama. Pero maaga sila umalis. saan na sila? Yun lang guys.
You want to play like that?
Daming tao, Friday kasi. Tapos marami bang sale. Hindi pa rin yata ano mo.